Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use casino bonus on FanDuel. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so when you join or sign up to the FanDuel casino and make a qualifying deposit, this is usually around $10 or more, your bonus will be credited to your account straight away. This might include bonus spins, site credit, or a cashback offer. Then from here, using bonus spins, so go to the FanDuel Casino section, which is located on the top tab here, and then find the slot games eligible for bonus spins. When you open the game, automatically apply your free spins if they're available. Just play as normal. Any winnings you earn from these spins are credited to your account as cash or bonus funds. Now, if you receive site credit or a refund from a cashback promotion, you can use it to play most casino games. To unlock the winnings, you typically need to wager the bonus amount once, known as one times playthrough. After that, the winnings are yours to keep and withdraw if you want. So there are some important things to note on this site. So bonuses often expire within a week, so use them quickly. And also bonus spins are usually limited to specific games. You must be in an eligible state where FanDuel Casino is legal as well, and real money must be used first before bonus credit is applied in some cases. So once you met the playthrough requirements, if any, your winnings can be cashed out just like normal funds.